Every second, your heart pumps life through your body. But have you ever wondered how blood actually travels through it? The cardiovascular system is made of the heart, blood, and blood vessels. Its job is simple but vital: to deliver oxygen and nutrients and remove waste. Let's follow the journey. Deoxygenated blood from the body enters the heart through two large veins: the superior vena cava from the upper body and the inferior vena cava from the lower body. This blood, low in oxygen, fills the right atrium. It is the first stop in the heart's incredible cycle. Blood enters the right atrium, then passes through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. When the ventricle contracts, blood is pushed through the pulmonary valve, into the pulmonary artery, heading straight to the lungs. The valves ensure that blood only flows in one direction. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is removed and oxygen is added. This transforms the blood into oxygen-rich blood, ready for the body. Oxygenated blood returns to the heart through the pulmonary veins, entering the left atrium before its final push. It then flows through the mitral valve into the powerful left ventricle. The left ventricle is the strongest chamber, built for high-pressure pumping. It pumps blood through the aortic valve into the aorta, sending oxygen-rich blood to the entire body. This ensures every cell receives the nutrients it needs to function. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria that receive blood, and 2 ventricles that pump it out. The left ventricle has the thickest muscle because it pumps blood to the whole body. It is a masterpiece of biological engineering. 4 valves keep blood moving in one direction: tricuspid, pulmonary, mitral, and aortic. They act like one-way doors, preventing backflow and keeping the pressure steady. When these doors work perfectly, your circulation remains seamless. From a single heartbeat to a lifetime of circulation, your heart works non-stop to keep you alive.